Guys, what's up? It's your girl Dice, and I just wanted to share with you something really fucking creepy. So, check this out. I have already cased this house out before. I've already robbed them completely blind. I've already met with them in person, disposition maxed out, all of that, right? Now, just note my armor has 20% chameleon, and I'm also wearing a ring of the Khajit, which has 35% chameleon. So over 50% chameleon, basically I'm almost completely invisible. 90% of the time most people cannot detect me. It's like a full-on invisibility potion basically. For the duration of the time that I'm wearing these items, especially together, right? So, yeah, but just to show you active effects, chameleon 55%. Okay? Meanwhile, like I said, to most people, I'm completely invisible. I don't know if this is just a Khajit thing, but I think the AI of this game, remind you, this is the original Oblivion. This shit is from 2016 or whatever. No, shit. 2006, 2005. Almost 20 years old, right? Check out the fucking AI in this game. This is sick, right? So no one can see me, right? But every time I move, her eyes are on me. Now you see, she doesn't follow me, but she's staring dead at me. Well, her husband was in this room. But now watch this. This is so trippy. See, she's motionless, standing solid right there, right? Now watch this shit. Literally, like the fucking mannequins in Resident Evil Biohazard. Like, are you fucking kidding me right now? It's literally like she smells me. She cannot see me because the eye would be lit up if she could see me. But she knows I'm there, like she can smell me, and she is practically following. This shit is so wild. But I could steal something right in front of her and she will not see me. But yeah, shit is so unnerving. And I can wait, so technically I'm not even trespassing. Which makes it even crazier. But yeah, more on that another time. Just something quick I thought I would share with you guys for fun. Until next time.